Mshafo, if you ask the old one, no can create no partisan politics, and as a party, similar to chain, no can create. No one can fact. I will make us say, and I may patch say, like young can create, and young can create chairman sign it. Who do be here as a woman and I'm tuning your mouth in a young bonabasso, also bonabasso crowns. Also bonabasso, and say, yo, peniophobia, the matter and you might be you more team say, Koye, or more year, Juma. Mianka me boana, 82 mana, honorable minister Asenso Boakye. The picture na da honorable minister Asenso Boakye. And I'm so obey road minister na. And I'm the Juma power, and I'm so year Juma now, you know, one thing. Oh, Asante me manase, ya kwan so Juma dino. Mianka me de mania hubi. Na me sheda, sami ko bia ye kwan bia. Oh, ya Asante me mu de bia ko na se. Kwan ye new creating say contractors ye Juma. We na was say ye hwene kan ye bona ba say da be obitimi ahoso no aye mo. Yes, obe koso no aye mo. Mianga me sheda ko wo hepachi kwan ne so a pachi anya kwanta road no wo unzo mu ye adwuma. Video na da so nye say bi e kasa kwa. Omu ye adwuma say de omu ye adwuma. Oh, efe kwa na mianga za ye wo hwe ba a otumfo yesi ni mo no garden city mo no me sheda ko hoko na me kwa update ni ade sanze me catch am for say oh a whole lot of updates e fi ho no me ba any say that coin but me ko ye na me hu say de omo yi akwan wo ho no me say no ade we o say e kan ho asem ne e bo nipa bia ba so sanze omo yi adwuma no kure e ba ko pe no de e bia no kure ni nti no mpe but no kure e sanze me hwe adwuma ye minister abo Miss Baby, I do be a year to other video, no, that channel, one cassa video. Omu year to Mancasancasa. When you say, no, see a bar basona who was anti-memon say, I'm pat no cre, a junior cosu. You probably say, I don't but the tour. Mommy, I'm born, but said to be a bear encourage you more. Oh, my year give. There is a young man say, was anti-my coso, near the year, come once a but will be done away, Juma, oh my car. Obey a road minister, bear, be a coin, be a mafata copan to my fowl. Na fata kwa kusi asanke gwa me hu kwan ye otakwa enya asanketo me hu akwan no wutinje omo bo adwuma road minister na be de chiri mo bo adwuma no kura de oka ho ni omo bo adwuma me se mianka se ma hyede chinchiri asante memu kakra hu akwan no oh koso radio no kura ba akope mo manka nti na me hyede se beso hu de koso obi bo adwuma aban no ayi nkofo bi a me hu se omo de speed omo je adwuma ka wenum se na me sure say nye MPP krana ebi a winning election po na say or say another opposition party eba power mpo a e was say omuma sankofo bi say ye adwuma but one kasa wo hwe adwuma wo yi na okoto aba one kasa enye obi na be ka kire say nipa no ye adwuma nti wo say o ma ne to aso we die ye mfa partisan sem ne nka no kre no kre de o kan ho ye ebi o mu nti ase ba wo hwe adwuma nipa ne bo na we nya say bi a obi na aka na me memu me akasa ne ko wo hwe mi video aso wo hwe a wan kasa wo video no yes me dey update free e otumfo ne more na wo si no me dey be ba Asantehene more no wo ye o be update na so be san ba adwuma but we so di kan hu we na hu nyoma ekoso no hu ampa no kre bibi sa ekoso obeye ana onye se ne hu nsem sitie ma start yes around no nti me dey update drop kakaka we dey ni amani nti we dey me ka se ona bo pia onye adwuma pa wo ye na mi hirawo.
Residents of Pechi number 1 and Pechi number 2 in the Amansia West district of the Ashanti region will soon heave a sigh of relief as government cuts sword for the construction of a 4.6-kilometer town road in the two communities and a 24.6-kilometer Pechi and Twang Krom road. At the sword cutting ceremony, the Honorable Minister for Roads and Highways, Francis Asenso Boakye, assured the chiefs and residents of Pechi of government's commitment to complete the project.
nipa dodo no ebenya so mfa so no eno na ye aban ye promote adwuma ya ye de hyem nse ye o man panyin na asoma me ha se me mra ye me ekro ni project stress e wo gidi omu etu odi sa contract yi ama mo se monye me stress e ana mo se mutu bia no se mutu na ekro no enya so mfa so.
Excited residents have described this intervention as timely. In the Ejusu municipality, where there are 32 ongoing road projects, the Honorable Minister inspected the Abankro Ibira Road and the Ejusu Kuntunasi Bekwai Road. He also inspected the rehabilitation of selected roads in Adaku, Jachi and Echao Krom. The Honorable Minister, in his interaction with the people, indicated that works on critical roads are part of government's commitment to improve the road network across the country.
They need the roads, and it's only the MPP that can complete these roads. In fact, it is on record that the MPP has enhanced our road network, substantial enhancement more than any other government in history. And Ejusu is one of those places.
At Sokoban on the Ahunjo to Trede Road, where about 800 meter stretch of the road is unpaved, the Honorable Minister mentioned that engineers have identified solution to the challenge and assured the community that very soon that section of the road will be fixed.
Ahunjo Trede Road. This is a very important link from Kumasi to the Achuma areas of Ashanti. About 95% of the work has been done. Just the 800 meter stretch, which is left undone. The original design meant that about 500 houses were going to be demolished. And after a while, we realized that it's important that we look at the interests of the people as well. So a new design has been made that will accommodate a situation where all these structures will not have to move. So we have concluded everything. You can see the number of cars here. Shows you how important this road is. And government is committed to making sure that the other parts left undone is quickly done so that the commuters and road users can benefit the full usage of the road bridges.
Honorable Minister also inspected the asphalting the Santasi Apri Road in Kumasi, where work is progressing steadily with Kofi Job Construction Limited working day and night to meet project completion timeline. Honorable Asenso Boakye also inspected and took notice of the deplorable road networks within the Menshia North, Menshia South, Swami, Bantama, Kwadaso, and Inshiaisu constituencies and spoke about plans to fix them.
I inspected some critical roads within the Kumasi metropolis. I went to Ashtown, the Menshia South. I went to Dote, Boko, the Menshia North. I went to Swami. I went to Bantama, Oshim, Amanfrum, Asori-Kontan, Esubontin, Esuja, and Kokuso, all in the Bantama constituency. Trebo, where Asabia construction is also doing some roads there. So it's all about inspection of ongoing projects and also identifying some critical roads that need immediate attention here in the Kumasi region.